Hi equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And today I thought it would be fun to share with you guys my collection of ear bonnets and saddle pads because my ear bonnet collection is growing. I have a lot of ear bonnets. I have so many ear bonnets now that I actually had to get hooks from the dollar store in order to have them all hanging up. Because a while ago I actually made a video showing you how to make an ear bonnet hanger, and my ear bonnet collection kind of outgrew the hanger, and I had to find an easier way for me to hang up all my ear bonnets as my collection grew. And I found the easiest way to do this was to buy these over-the-door hooks at Dollar Tree. Yep, it was just $1, but they work great for holding up my ear bonnets. And to go along with all of my ear bonnets, I have my saddle pads. Which one is not hanging where it's supposed to be, so that's an extra hanger. But this is my saddle pad collection, and I thought it would be really fun to show you the ear bonnet that goes along with the corresponding saddle pad on Frisby. And then I want to get your feedback, and you tell me which ear bonnet and saddle pad you like best on Frisby. So let's go try on the saddle pads and ear bonnets and see which matchy-matchy set looks best. So the first matchy-matchy set I have is my Lemieux Lori saddle pad in gray and a matching ear bonnet. Now these are the newer Lemieux pads and they're really nice. They are really expensive too. The saddle pad was $97 and the ear bonnet was $47. So this is definitely not a bargain. And even though it's expensive, it's a really, really nice saddle pad, and I use this one a lot. And next I have my Voltaire saddle pad, which I love. I found this on eBay for $65, and it did come with a matching ear bonnet. And I really like this ear bonnet. It's a little bit small for Frisby, and it just really looks nice with the pad. Now this is a Dover saddle pad and a Dover ear bonnet. And I got this one for wintertime because it's just really fluffy and really just thick. And it was around $35, and the ear bonnet was very affordable at $15. The brand on the ear bonnet is Dover Saddlery, and it's a little bit darker than the saddle pad, but I like the green set together on Frisby. And next I have a Lemieux navy pad, and this is actually the first ear bonnet that I ever bought. I bought it on eBay for like $7. This was a long time ago, but it matches the Lemieux pad really nice. And this is just the basic Lemieux close contact suede top saddle pad, and I really like how the saddle pad is cut to fit the horse. Even though he doesn't have a saddle on, it fits him really well, and you can kind of see the definition of where it goes up on his withers, and then it kind of dips down in the center again. And there is the pretty matching navy blue ear bonnet. Now this ear bonnet is the one that I kind of embellished myself, and the saddle pad is an Ogilvy baby pad that I had custom made basically because it has the piping on it and it also has the girth straps. And this is the ear bonnet that I added some trim to, and I got this ear bonnet at Dover Saddlery for around $5. Now this is another Lemieux pad, and this is the jumping pad. So it's really close contact style, close contact fitted. And then I have a black Rambo ear bonnet to go with this saddle pad. And next I have a Professional's Choice pad. And this is similar to the Lemieux saddle pads, but it's made by Professional's Choice. It's not quite as padded and it doesn't have the suede top. And the gray Rambo ear bonnet that I have matches the gray on the saddle pad perfectly. Next, this is just a basic Dover saddlery saddle pad that I actually got for free on one of their sales that they were having. And then on eBay, I found this matching maroon ear bonnet. And I really like this ear bonnet. The material on the ears is almost like a slinky material, so it fits really well no matter what size your horse's ears are. I think he looks good in maroon. Now this is a really cool saddle pad that I got from Dover's, and this was a couple of months ago. They had a free embroidery option if you bought the saddle pad, and the saddle pad was like $14.99, and I was able to get a custom embroidery on the back of the pad, which is awesome because I've never had anything like really personalized for myself other than things I've made. So this is my very first personalized saddle pad, and I have my initials on it. And then I also got another one because this was such a good deal, and I got my initial in a heart, and it matches this ear bonnet perfectly because it's navy blue, white, and light blue, just like the saddle pad. Now this was my first Lemieux pad I ever got, and I got it in the plum color. And again, these run about $47 or $57, I think, I can't remember. And then I got the matching ear bonnet, and I think that was around $35, but again, I'm not 100% sure. But I really like the cut of these saddle pads, and the ear bonnets are nice and heavy duty, and he looks pretty good in the plum color, but I mainly got the plum color because I liked it. But the saddle pads wash really well, they wear really well, and they have a bamboo lining so the horses don't sweat as much underneath the saddle pad. Now here's just some individual saddle pads that I have. This is a horsewear saddle pad that I got from Dover Saddlery when it was on clearance. It was $9.99, and I love this pad. It is so nice. The billet straps are Velcro, and underneath the saddle it almost has like a half pad built into it. It's almost like a shock absorber. Now here's just a plain Dover pad that I got, again from one of their tent sales. I think it was free. And here is a teal Dover pad I got, which looks pretty good on Frisby actually. I just need to find a matching ear bonnet. Now this is another Dover pad, and I actually personalized this myself and put my initials on it. But these saddle pads are great and they last a long time, and they actually get better with each washing. And this is another Dover pad that I customized for myself. And this is a correction pad that I got from Riding Warehouse. And what I really like about this is it has pockets that you can put extra pieces of memory foam in the front pocket or the back pocket, which allows me to customize the pad for Frisby. Now this is an ear bonnet that I got to try to match the teal saddle pad. Unfortunately, it's more of a turquoise and it doesn't match, but it looks cute on him, and it actually goes really well with my Ogilvy saddle pad too. But the ears are a little bit big. Now this is a really nice ear bonnet. This is by EQUINE Couture. I think that's how you say that. And it's black, and then it's got some bling on it. And seeing it on Frisby like this, it looks really nice. It's really, really pretty, and it was really affordable. It was less than $20 on Riding Warehouse. And then this is another ear bonnet I got from Riding Warehouse. This is a cavalcade ear bonnet, and it's very lightweight. So it works great in the summertime when you might be riding and you don't want your horse to get hot. Well, that is my saddle pad collection as well as my ear bonnet collection. So now I have to put them all back where they live, but I just really wanted to share that with you guys and tell you a little bit about the saddle pads and the ear bonnets in case you're looking to increase your collection of saddle pads and ear bonnets as well. Most of the saddle pads I really like. There's some of the basic ones like by Dover that are helpful to have in case these are dirty and they need to be washed. But all in all, I really like the saddle pads that I have, and I like it even more that I can be matchy-matchy with the ear bonnets along with the saddle pads. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other product reviews, DIY videos, and horse-related videos showing you how to be a budget equestrian too. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.